This pear-shaped tower once stood straight up and out of the Westinghouse Research Laboratory. This tower, which now lays on its side, is named the Atom Smasher. It's 65 feet tall, 30 foot in diameter, and has a spectacular history. This 5 million volt Van de Graaff generator was designed by physicists and was built in 1937. It was the largest Van de Graaff generator or particle accelerator of its time, and it was key to nuclear power research. It was discontinued in 1958, and the surrounding building was demolished in 2015. Many have taken pictures of the outside, but have you ever wondered what's inside? Well, stay tuned. Let's check it out. So you can see this ladder, when this was standing straight up, this ladder would rotate and it had wheels. Here, I'll zoom in. It had wheels that would touch the sides, and this ladder could be rotated around the outside of the bulb. That's just insane. It's so cool they left it. And there he goes. The thing is so huge. Hey, you can get inside of it.
All right, gotta hit you guys. I'll get him.
Yes! Going in! Can you just get in it, walk around?
Yep.
Okay, get in, I'm coming.
There's a bunch of stuff in it, but it's mostly hollow.
So we're inside. What, is there a big ball?
It's like slick. I think we might have to go through the middle. It's like a ball, like a cap.
It echoes. This is a good time to remind you to like and subscribe. Shine it in that in the big bulb. So there's this huge bulb in the center. Yeah, look at all this stuff that used to be around the outside, and now it's just all the pieces and parts are laying all over. Look at this place.
Yeah. I just don't know how to get down.
Dude, if you fall, that I don't know if this is a good idea. I cannot believe you made it.
All right.
This is madness.
So we all made it out. And HBC Films even survived the jump off of the bulb and down the wall. So I think it's that time to get out of here, leave Pittsburgh, and head back to Ohio. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications, and share it on social media. It really helps us out. And follow us on Twitter. Till next time, be safe out there.